The A&W wing of the CCP of Bangalore City Police have detected two cases wherein in Bangalore police station limits they have detected one case of MDMA of 1 kg 200 grams about worth about 2.2 crores, and in one more case in Ashok Nagar limits hydro ganja of 2 kgs worth around 2 crores. Total 4.2 crores have been recovered by the CCB. 3 accused have been secured. 2 are foreign nationals, 1 is an Indian. In another case, in the North Division, around 1 kg 500 grams of hydro ganja, 50 grams of hydro ganja has been recovered. 3 people have been arrested, and 1 vehicle has been seized. Total 5 crores, more than 5 crores worth of hydro ganja and MDMA has been recovered. We have information on other links also, and we are working on that. Both CCB and North Division staff are collaborating and working on it.